Thus, unraveled, making sense of the phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and we'll be uncovering the meaning and usage of the word, thus. If you've come across this word and wondered how to use it, you're in the right place. Thus is an adverb in English. In its essence, it means as a result, or therefore. When you use thus in a sentence, you're indicating the result of something that was mentioned before. It's like connecting the dots between a cause and its effect. Example, he didn't study for the exam. Thus, he failed. In this example, the cause is, he didn't study for the exam, and the result or effect is, he failed. The word, thus, bridges these two ideas. While thus is commonly used to mean therefore, or as a result, it has a couple of other uses too. 1. To indicate a specific manner or way. Example, do it thus, he demonstrated. 2. To mean, to this degree, or to this extent. Example, the water rose thus high during the flood. You might have encountered other words like therefore, hence, and so, that seem to function similarly to thus. While these words can sometimes be used interchangeably, each has its nuances. 1. Therefore and thus can often be used in the same way, but therefore can sound a bit more formal. 2. Hence often implies a forward-looking statement or future implication. 3. So is more casual and is commonly used in everyday speech. Example, it rained heavily, so we decided to stay indoors. And that's a wrap on the phrase, thus. By now, you should have a clearer understanding of its meaning, its usage variations, and how it compares to other similar words. Remember, the English language is vast and ever-evolving, and the key to mastering it is continuous learning and practice. We hope this video has been helpful, and until next time, happy learning!